Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how much Node.js I need to know in order to get a job as a Node developer. So to get a job as a Node.js developer guys, you should have a solid understanding of the core concepts of features of Node.js along with the proficiency and related technologies. Here are the some key areas Node.js knowledge that are typically required for Node.js developer roles. Let's go and have a look in one by one guys. Okay, JavaScript. So a strong foundation in JavaScript essential guys. In ES6 features, Node.js is built on the JavaScript and should familiar with concepts such as variables, data types, functions, arrays, objects, callbacks, promises, async and await, and ES6 plus features. So already I made a crash course about the JavaScript guys, and if you want to learn about the JavaScript in full pledge, then go through that one and understand about the all the concepts as I mentioned earlier. Next one is the Node.js Basics. Understand about the Node.js basics guys, such as including runtime environment, what is the Java J8 and engine, event driven architecture, how event driven architecture is working, non-blocking input output model, modules common JS and VS modules, package management using the npm or n, and the Node.js ecosystem. Okay, so event driven guys, event driven architecture is very important. You should understand about the event driven architecture, how that one is working, and yeah, that's very important. How callback hell is working, how Node.js is working, how Java and Chrome E8 engine is working, environment how is running, npm is how you are going to use it, and everything you should learn it guys. Next is the asynchronous programming. So asynchronous programming, Node.js heavily relies on the asynchronous programming to handle input output operations efficiently. As I mentioned, promises or callbacks and promises, async and await, and write the non-blocking code guys. There is a blocking code and non-blocking code. You should understand both of them. Next is HTTP and Express.js guys. Now how to create HTTP servers to handle HTTP requests and responses using the Node.js core modules or frameworks like Express.js, familiarity with routing, middleware, request handling, and a RESTful API design is beneficial. So microservices, how you are going to create, and middleware, how to Express.js middleware, how to use it, and how to create the RESTful API design is the beneficial guys. Next is the database integration. Database integration, understand how to connect, interact with the database, either Node.js common databases used for the Node.js, including MongoDB, MySQL, AWS DynamoDB, PostgreSQL, Redis, learn about the ORM, ODM libraries, Mongoose, MongoDB, and SQL query builders, Next.js or Nest.js, and for database operations guys. So if you want to do, if you are more interested in Nest.js and Express.js for middleware, or otherwise if you want to write in everything in the TypeScript, and go for the Nest.js for the is particularly the designed for the TypeScript guys. Really the microservices with the TypeScript is really is awesome, that one. So next is authentication and authorization guys. So how you are going to know how to implement your authentication and authorization mechanism using libraries like passport.js or JWT token and auth, all this stuff in Node.js application guys. You should understand how JWT token improve, implement, and how to protect your API endpoints, RESTful APIs. Okay. Next is the testing guys. So learn how to write unit tests and integration testing and end-to-end testing guys. These three are very important for Node.js applications using testing frameworks such as Jest, Mocha, Chai, or Jasmine. Which one you want to choose, you can choose it guys. Next is the deployment and DevOps. So this is very important. Understand deployment process of Node.js application, including server configuration and containerization with Docker, deployment with cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, Google cloud and CI/CD pipeline and monitoring and performance optimization, guys. So this is day-to-day work, guys. And if you are real-time worker, if you are doing currently, CI/CD is very important. If you are working closely with the DevOps team, they will go to do all the configuration. There is a DevOps team, they don't know anything else, they will go to hand out to the developer need to do the all the setup and the configuration for the Node.js CI/CD pipeline, guys. Next is the security best practices. What does it mean? Be aware of the security vulnerabilities and best practices of in Node.js development, such as input validation, sanitization, HTTPS usage, or not only HTTP, guys, HTTPS usage, session management, and secure APIs, guys. So it's very important part in security best practices in the Node.js environment, guys. Okay. Next is version control systems. Familiarity with version control systems such as Git, collaborative development workflows, for example, Git branching, pull requests, is important to teamwork and code management. Okay. So next one is the conclusion, guys. And while having knowledge on these areas in crucial top 10 areas I explained, guys, so it's also beneficial to work on practical projects, contribute to open source projects, participate in coding challenges, attend workshops or webinars or boot camps, and continuously learn and stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies in Node.js ecosystem, guys. That's all, guys, in this video. I hope you are getting in some beautiful content what I'm trying to telling you guys, and how you are going to get the job in the Node.js, particularly what you need to learn, how to improve that one. However, I'm going to give the links for Node.js, how to learn all this stuff, guys, in the in this YouTube, in this video description. Please go through it and understand about that one. That's all, guys, in this video. Please subscribe my channel, guys, so I will go to making more videos, and if you like my content. Yeah, thank you, guys. Bye bye now.